So welcome to the Mr. Mentor platform of my analytics school. On this, you will find different professionals, majorly from IITs, as you can see from IIT Bhu, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Bhu. 80% of the students are from IITs, uh, NITs also. Rest 20% are from the major colleges like BU and different NITs. So you can find these people are working in different domains like data analytics, consultancy, product management, software as well, and they are obviously working into the top notch companies. So for the previous 5 years we have placed roughly 600 students across IITs. So out of those 600 we have around 400 on our platform. So you can look at the companies: American Express, City, Cars 24, EXL, all the companies, Flipkart, which comes in the campus placements. You can get mentors as per different domains, and you can also find a leaderboard where, if you look at the quality of the mentors, the basis of our mentorship platform works on the both way feedback system, which is student giving rating to the mentor and mentor giving rating to the student. So these are the mentors rating which were given by the students. So you can look around 152 meets 4.4 star, around 53 meets 4.8, 4.9. So the quality of mentors are great because they have gone across our 7 to 8 months upskilling program, and they have also got the results. So they are giving the best possible efforts to the students as well as their juniors, and simultaneously earning for their work as well. And students are getting complete clarity of how does the IIT placements happen, क्या पढ़ना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है, किस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या चांसेस होते हैं प्लेसमेंट्स के, किस कंपनीज के क्या प्रोसेसेस होते हैं. सो दोस ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. So this platform we have built for our in-house batch, which is Mass 101, but this platform has grown across years, so we'll be soon launching it into the public market. As of now, we are utilizing it to uh, for the usage of students across different IITs and NITs. In our phase one, we have launched this platform through test series, and many students are getting benefiting from it, and as well as different institutions. Thank you. Yeah, what makes our mock interview truly work? You can look at their experienced mentors. You'll get flexible scheduling. You'll get the actionable feedback कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So thank you.